How do I download and install the Samsung Phone Finder app on my device?
Welcome everyone. Today we're going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing the Samsung Phone Finder app on your device. This handy tool helps you locate your Samsung phone should you misplace it.
Why do I need the Samsung Phone Finder app?
Before we begin the installation, it's crucial to understand the importance of this tool. The Samsung Phone Finder app is an essential utility for all Samsung users as it allows you to locate your device remotely, lock it, and even erase data to protect your personal information in case it's lost or stolen. It's like having a security guard for your phone.
How do I access the Google Play Store?
The Samsung Phone Finder app is available on the Google Play Store. To access the Play Store, 1. Navigate to your device's app list, which is typically accessible by swiping up from the bottom of your home screen. 2. Look for the Google Play Store app. It's an icon with a colorful play button inside a white bag. 3. Tap on the Google Play Store icon to open the app.
How do I find and download the Samsung Phone Finder app?
Once you have opened the Google Play Store, 1. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. 2. Type Samsung Phone Finder into the search bar and press the search icon. 3. Select the app from the search results list. It should be published by Samsung Electronics Company, Limited. 4. Press the Install button to start downloading the app.
How do I install and set up the Samsung Phone Finder app?
After the download completes, 1. Open the app by pressing the Open button in the Google Play Store, or find it in your device's app list. 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the app. This may involve signing in with your Samsung account and granting necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up the Samsung Phone Finder app on your device. Now, your Samsung phone has an extra layer of security. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, so it's great you've taken this step to protect your device. Hope this guide has been helpful, and feel free to explore more about the app's features on your own.